goats, they take care of themselves. I'm in a field where there's no bunch of grass, but it's really good field.
And like when we're gone, whenever we're gone, is that what you mean?
Well, they still need water and stuff.
Yeah, they also need milking.
Yeah. Once they're day of age already, if you do that?
We will have one that's milking.
Wow. Yeah, that's
We
good.
milk them twice a day every day.
There you go. It's just like a cow.
Yes.
Maintenance.
I mean, you can let them dry out if
Yeah.
you want for a little while before you know, like probably you'll dry them off before it breeds, but
Yeah.
we're going to hand milk while we have one. When we get the other two bred, we'll probably get a bit of a shit so that we can just sheet milk them, it's easier.
Yeah.
But it's not worth the expense for one.
Yeah.
Because they're about by this months for the machine.
Holy cow. Is that,
No, holy goat.
is it meat to just goats or is that just cows?
And then I would assume you'd pay more for machinery to milk cows, but
Yeah.
I never looked at it.
Suction probably quite as much as a goat.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. The suction's about the same. It's just gonna have a bigger contraction.
Please prepare for departure, please.
Minder, isang ibahin na sama Minder.
fasten anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Also remember to use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight. Please be reminded that federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular network services during flight. Additional information about approved electronic devices can be found in Sky Magazine, which is located in your seat pocket.